So everyone's been kind of flipping out over the new YouTube rules for monetization. Monetization. Did I say that right? Monetization. So what I want to do is just add my little 2 cents in. Now I don't want to talk about how much money a small YouTuber will miss out on, like $4 or $40 or what have you, or things of that nature. There's enough videos out there talking about if it's even worth it to keep doing your videos or not, etc. Listen, I think it's still worth you doing your videos. The reason is there's something inside of you that said, I want to start to share this information. And yes, money could be the motive, but if you have a passion in sharing this information, you should still make your videos. You should still do that. And it also starts to build up a resume for you. So say for example, if there's a conference that is talking about things in your particular expertise of knowledge and information that you're giving out on YouTube, just because you're putting out the information, you can definitely be sought after. Now, you can also use your videos without having to get paid from YouTube, but you still can monetize them in a sense, but by your own hands. You can start, an affiliate that may be around a particular area of what you're talking about, or just things that you like to use that you may be able to, offer to others. And when people buy those things, you get a piece back. You're familiar with that. You see it on YouTube all the time, the links that are all in the descriptions, where it's from Amazon and from different companies where pretty much people can get paid from. That's a really good way to make money, still from your channel. You could also start a course. You can start a course that's around whatever it is you're talking about on your channel. You could sell clothing. It's so many different things that you can do that you don't have to depend on YouTube's ads and their monetization. I think I got it, right? So what I suggest you do is to keep doing what you love to do. Don't worry about the rules. As you continue to do the things that you love and keep putting out that information, as well as just gaining knowledge in your area and getting better as you desire to do, those views and those particular hours, they will show up and then you'll be able to get paid. But in the meantime, as a small YouTuber, I'm a small YouTuber myself. This particular channel and another channel I have is where I've been spending a lot of time at just trying to build and put out information that I want to give to people. I actually have like 4 YouTubes, and the other 2 I don't really spend any time on. They're well above the threshold and subscribers and all the other stuff. I have viral videos on there that went like, have like 100,000 views, 150,000 views, 50,000 views, etc. But I'm actually not spending time in that area. So I'm a small YouTuber, just like you are if you're watching this. And I'm not going to lose my passion just because YouTube changed the rules. I'm going to keep doing what I do. And then I'm also going to direct people to to the description box. And so through that, you can still gain some income if that's your concern by just being creative through affiliate links, through starting your own product line, having a course or something, or just connecting with a company that you believe in, and seeing if they'll allow you to start some type of affiliate business with them. I have done that several times through companies that actually they didn't have no affiliate program or anything like that, but I wrote them a nice message and I was able to gain some type of partnership or some type of affiliation with them where I can actually do actually get paid from just recommending people to that product. Because before I was doing it and I was recommending people to check this out, check that out, do this, that, and the other, but I just wasn't getting paid for it. So you can actually start to start an affiliate, start whatever, like I said before, but please don't give up on your passion. I know there's a lot of videos out here with people ranting about YouTube and them changing it and stuff like that because of people like Logan Paul or whatever, his video where he filmed someone hanging in the woods or whatever. I'm very aware, however, I think it's better to focus on what is it that you can do, because if this is a passion that you have to create information and to show the world what you want to offer, and this is giving you some type of peace and fulfillment, by all means, don't stop it. Just find ways to make money outside of the ads of YouTube and their monetization. It's a big word, y'all, but use this platform to continue to do those things that you're doing, and things will work out in the long run, or even in the short one. I'm pretty sure of it. But that's my 2 cents. Like it, don't like it, whatever. But I feel like we should still do the things that we're doing, and let YouTube do whatever they're gonna do. But as long as we have our own ways of being able to make sure that we can still gain income from it, it just doesn't matter if YouTube, allows us to monetize when we get 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers and 5,000, 4,000 hours of watch time. It just wouldn't matter because you'll still be able to gain some income from that. Okay, so hope this has been helpful. See ya. Peace.